Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're looking at a copy of an item that was originally made by LMT Defense, Lewis Machine and Tool Company. So again, this being a copy of their LBA Tactical Adjustable Rear Sight. And you can see here, this has been labeled in this little bag, M4/M16 Rear Match Sight. And this, I believe, was made by AIM. So I'll try to drop links in the description of the video. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look here. Again, this being a copy that has no brand markings on it, and this being based again on the model LBA, which is similar controls and usage as the sights on the M16A2 carry handle. And you can see here our elevation knob with, I'll try to spin it so we can see the numbers. There's your 5 as we're bringing it down to 4. There's your 0 mark right there, and then 6 and 3. And I'm trying to see where it bottoms out. All the way back down to there. But again, that being your 0 position right here in neutral setting. Again, up and down. This being your windage, you can see to the right, obviously left to be the other direction. You can see also this will have detent clicks. Here you have a flip aperture, 0 to 2, and I believe marked on this side, we flip it over, you can see the much smaller diameter aperture there, and I'm not sure if we can see the markings there, 0 to 3, I believe. And flipping this back down, you can also see a little bit of gradient right there to help with alignment. The underside. Now here we can see where it starts to really vary from the LMT design. This is pretty similar, this kind of guard surface here to prevent less of a direct impact surface. But here, underneath the twist knob, we can see that this part here that I'm wiggling on the LMT version is much more material. So it's a lot thicker and not as, well, I wouldn't say flimsy, but totally different profile shape of clip part here that would help grip the rail surface on the top rail of the A2 model. Also, this crossbolt here, I believe on the LMT will be much thicker as well. I don't have a flat top handy at the moment, so I just grabbed the rail surface here to kind of demonstrate how this would attach on a rail. Basically put it in place in the slot that you want, and then tighten down and make sure you offset against recoil, which would be towards the barrel end, because recoil will be pushing it this way backwards. So you can see how that would mount on the top surface there. You just kind of imagine that being a flat top. Taking a quick look again at a copy of what was originally the LBA Tactical Adjustable Rear Sight from LMT Defense. This was also, I believe, used on the US SOCOM Mark 18 Mod 0, is what was mentioned on the LMT website. So, give you a couple looks there. This has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on the channel. We also do a selection of unboxing videos and a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.